Oh, God.
Hello, bird. It's hanging.
Kelly, stepping in poop.
Oh, it's all right. I'm going in a gross lake or thing.
Okay, Kelly.
I need the scissors.
Tell us what you're about to do.
I'm about to go rescue that bird. And then you're going to rescue me.
If she fails. Even if she doesn't fail, she's...
Wait, here they come.
Who?
Those. Wherever they come.
Who's that? Mason, it doesn't matter.
I'm going to have to, like, get in this water.
Yeah, you are. Yeah. Why do you put your bathing suit on?
Because I'm a dork. I didn't think about it. I was just coming. Oh, it's not cold. Okay.
Okay, well, that's good.
I hope there's no turtles in it.
I hope there's no snakes.
Okay.
How deep is it?
I'm kind of stepping already, but it's not that deep.
Okay.
Bird, I'm trying to say, I don't even need this. Hold on. Wait, okay.
Just take it with you just in case.
Well, you can put the bird on it.
We're just going to cut the string.
Well, I'm stuck. You sink about a whole foot into
Oh,
this stuff.
yuck.
Oh.
Oh, Kelly.
I'm grossing out.
Yeah, get on the raft, please. Annie, get up.
Look at this.
Oh, Kelly. Oh. Oh, baby bird. Oh. Okay. Yay! Kelly the Savior.
Hey,
Its wings messed up, but
Annie, back.
well, I don't know that it's gonna matter. I don't know that you can fix it. Annie, get out. Yeah, but
I think it is.
if it is, there's nothing we can do about it. Annie, get up.
Is there another one, Kelly? There was another one that was flying around.
Oh, its wing is definitely messed up.
Oh yeah, its wing is broken.
Annie. Hi, Kelly.
I saved it.
You did.
I'm grossing out.
Pretty grossed out too. Annie, get up.
You trying to save me, dog?
Annie says, I'll save you, Kelly.
You know what we need to put this under?
Yes. Oh, where are you?
Rescues of the pond.
She says that's my raft. Wait a second, that's my raft.
From the lake.
That's her raft for the lake. She saw it.
She's drinking the water. We're putting this as rescues from the local.
Oh, dog.
Whoa, what is this stuff?
What is what? Oh yeah, there's poop. It's duck poop.
Rescues from a local place. The local place? Really?
Go, Annie.
Animal rescuers.
You just don't even know it. The dirt and stuff is going up to my knees. Oh, yeah. Dog, go up there on the shore.
Come on, Annie.
Go, Annie, go. Yeah, pull me out. Pull me out, dog.
Come on, Ann. Get your raft, Annie. Yay, Kelly Ball!
Four wings, bro.
Oh.
I don't know what to do with it. Let's get the bird lovers over here to help us.
The ghastly